distinguish active lymphoma from scar tissue. No? So, malalaman sa CT scan, malalaman lang natin na may bukol. Pero sa PET scan, malalaman natin na ito may active cancer cell. So, we still have, kasi part din ng treatment o monitor, if wala nang active na activity, metabolic activity yung isang bukol, we can consider lang as scar na. So, pwede kasi may bukol pa rin, pero wala nang metabolic activity. So, we can consider that as scar na lang. Pero the best way to differentiate po kung breast or lymphoma is a biopsy po.
Basta ang makikita nilang doon, parang black itong part na to, or ayun, we have to consider that. Parang ganun ba lang?
Sa PET scan po, makikita sa images, parang may leon with yellow or green po na nag-light up, na nag-active po. Yan na metabolic activity ng cancer cell, yung dye.
Yeah, Doc, nabanggit natin kanina, no, na 60 subtypes po yan. Pero siyempre, hindi po natin isa-isa yung 60, as I mentioned earlier po, baka dalawang copies. Alin po nga lang yung mga pangunahin sa mga subtypes among the 60 po? Ano po yung mga pangunahin nila at bakit po mahalaga na malaman natin?
Okay, so, yung sinabi ko, yung Hodgkin lymphoma. Hodgkin lymphoma, it is less common than your non-Hodgkin lymphoma. If early stages po, maganda po yung prognosis natin sa stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 3 to 4, mas mahirap na po siya. We can still treat them, pero yung how aggressive they will be even with treatment, we will determine that once they receive na po the treatment. For non-Hodgkin lymphoma, the most common type is the diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. So usually they are the common tumors kung nakikita mo sa chest wall, malaki siya dito sa chest wall, usually ganon. So, depende kung gaano kalaki, kasi hindi naman natin kasi nakikita, hindi tayo nakakapag-consulta agad. Nagpapakonsulta lang tayo kung meron na tayong different pain or chest discomfort, kaya nagpapacheck up tayo. Usually kasi doon, malaki na yung bukol inside, kaya nagpapacheck tayo. So, depende, pero they still very responsive to systemic therapy and we can still afford here in the early stages. Another type po ng non-Hodgkin is the follicular lymphoma. This is the common indolent type. So, this type, pwede tayo mag-watchful waiting lang kung walang symptom yung pasyente. No? Pwede observahan lang natin and do sequence scans na lang. And this sickness is warranted at may symptoms na. So, different types talaga requires different treatment. So, another type, so yung mantle cell lymphoma, mga different na mga types of lymphoma, ito sila rarely seen, and yung treatment din nila, iba din sa general na non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Some also have Burkitt lymphoma, which are associated sometimes with HIV infection. So, minsan, yung mga HIV patients natin,